First of all, congratulations on the birth of your baby. I'm so excited for you. And this is such an exciting time, but it's also a time when moms can be very anxious, especially if their babies aren't eating well. And it sounds like you've definitely had issues with that. You mentioned that you've had some cracked and sore nipples, and the most common reason for this is an improper latch. So you mentioned that you started pumping, but pumping is too time consuming, so you want to introduce formula. But if you're still producing milk, it's not too late. You may still be able to breastfeed your baby, and you could definitely benefit from a lactation consult. So if you live in the Utah County area, call 801-714-3324, and you can get in touch with a lactation specialist, make an appointment. They can actually watch you nurse and decide what's going right, what's going wrong, and help make adjustments so your baby is latching properly. And they can also recommend creams and other things that you can use to help your sore, cracked nipples to heal and to feel better. And you can continue nursing. If you don't live in Utah County, there's a lactation clinic at Primary Children's Medical Center. And if you don't live in either of those areas, just call the hospital that you delivered at and ask to speak to a lactation specialist. And they can either talk to you over the phone or schedule an appointment in person where they can help watch you nurse and see if they can help address the issues that you've been having. Now, if you've just decided that nursing and pumping is not for you and you want to move on to formula, that's okay too, because formula-fed kids go to kindergarten too. There are times and circumstances when it's not possible for a mother to breastfeed, especially if you've been having issues, you feel like your baby's needs aren't being met. If you're trying to make the transition to formula, you mentioned you've tried a few different kinds. It could be the taste. So you can actually mix breast milk and formula for now until your baby becomes more used to the taste of formula, and then you slowly decrease the amount of breast milk you're adding to the bottle. For example, say your baby's drinking 2 to 3 ounces each feeding. You could actually put 2 ounces of breast milk in a bottle and 1 ounce of formula. And this is mixed formula, or you could put 2 ounces of formula and, mix it up, put the water and the powder in, mix it, and then add the breast milk that you've expressed to it. And then slowly decrease the amount of breast milk you're adding until your baby's just totally used to the taste of formula. Try that and see if that helps. Another tip and suggestion I have for you is try to feed your baby formula when he's not super hungry. So if he normally eats every 2 to 3 or 2 to 4 hours, then try like a half hour before you would normally feed him to introduce the formula, because if he gets super hungry, he's probably already mad and he's not going to like something that he doesn't take well to, or that he's not liking the taste. He's not going to be as likely to eat it. Also try to have his dad feed him the bottle of formula, because sometimes babies won't take formula from their mom because they know that they're the ones who usually give them breast milk. So have your baby's dad feed him a bottle when you're not in the room, and see if that goes over any better than when you try to feed him. Those are just a few tips and suggestions that I hope will help you. And first and foremost, if you want to continue nursing, it's still possible to do that. So I hope that you can find the help you need. If you run into any other roadblocks or have any other questions, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page, and recommend us to your friends and family too.